You ever seen a boat like this on the water? Or maybe a pro fishing boat with sponsor logos all across it. You ask yourself, how did they paint the boat to look like this? I'll tell you right now, that is not paint. That is a custom boat covering called a boat wrap. Hi, I'm AJ with Ultimate Boat Wraps. In this video, I'm going to show you how we took this stock boat and transformed it into a one-of-a-kind showpiece. We specialize in custom boat graphics that are guaranteed to make your boat the envy of the lake. While we offer pre-designed boat wraps, we also offer one-off designs for that truly unique look. Enjoy the video, and when you're ready to wrap your boat, give me a call. Ultimate Boat Wraps designs, prints, and installs boat wraps on all types of boats, new or old, wakeboard boats, fishing boats, speed boats, pontoons, deck boats, sailboats, and more. We can give your boat a whole new look in just a few days. Our process starts with you choosing a wrap for your boat. Choose from our extensive pre-designed wraps online or have us design a custom wrap for your boat. We make up a rendering of your chosen wrap on your boat and send it to you for review. After we receive your approval, we will begin printing your wrap. After printing, we send the print through a laminator to protect and extend the life of your wrap. We then begin installation by removing your boat's hardware and cleaning your exterior. Next, we do a dry fit to ensure the wrap lines up as intended. Our installers then begin to apply the wrap to your boat, working to maintain a meticulous, bubble-free, factory-like application.
Depending on the size of your boat, installation will be complete in a day or more, and you'll be ready to hit the water in your new wrapped boat.